Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Carmen with Elemental Designs, and today you guys I'm going to share with you a small haul from Dollar Tree. But I was able to find at least a few good items, and I'm going to more or less share those things with you guys. So without further ado, let's get this review started. So I have my little baggie. I'll put it in the side. So the first thing that I did get, which I'm gonna go back and try to get some more because I love these. I only got the one. Um, Anytime that I buy stickers, I always buy like one or two. Usually I don't overdo it unless it's something that I extremely love and I know I can use it like forever and ever and ever. But for the most part, I usually just take one, and since this is double-sided, let's see if I can open it. And I'm gonna be probably using these either. I'm not sure yet. There's quite a lot of butterflies here. I'm thinking about making a butterfly journal. What do you guys think? I would love to hear your opinion. Either a butterfly journal, meaning like a little lap book or something of that nature, or a mixed media canvas. I'm going to put a poll for these stickers on my community page in my channel. Definitely go make sure you check that out so that you can participate in the poll. And yes. So we'll see what we're going to do. So either I'm going to turn this into something for journals, or I'm going to turn this into something for a mixed media canvas. So let me know. But look how cute these are. Super, super pretty. Love, love, love the colors. So that's the first thing. I did find some of these little, they're like little wooden houses. But I thought these were super cute, so I got 3 of them. So we'll see what this ends up turning into. So we'll be doing something with those. I only got one of these. I would have loved to have gotten more, but they all looked bad. Like, this was the only one, and I don't even know how these top wings are looking. They were all like black around the edges and stuff, which normally I wouldn't care too much about, but I wanted to use them for the purposes, for the purpose of them being a mirror. So we'll see. But super cute though. You get 5 butterflies. That's really, really nice. For $1, you can't beat that. I also got these. For those of you guys that are familiar with my channel, you know that I sometimes struggle with sprays, with the ink sprays. So I'm thinking that I can most likely put the liquid in here, and I'm gonna get some more of these. I never seen these before. I'm gonna put the liquid in here, and since this has kind of like a little spout, you can open it and close it, almost like the glue bottles are. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill it in, and I'm gonna drop in the color whenever I need the colors. I'm just gonna drop in the colors, and I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna get more because I think this works out well. Which you guys will probably see it if you watch any of my live streams on Saturday. You guys are gonna end up seeing me use this because I'm gonna be filling these up later on with some of my inks that don't have spray tops, so that I can use them in a more efficient manner. So I got 3 packs of those, 200 bottles. That's 6 bottles for $3. That's not bad. I'll put that there. And now I got some daubers. So I got 2 packs of that. And 3 pieces for $1. That's not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. I only found one, you guys, and oh my god, I almost didn't even see it. This is the pack of the butterfly die cut. I almost didn't even see it. I don't know if they have any other colors, but they only had the 1 pack, and as you can see, the package itself was damaged. I did count the butterflies. It's supposed to have 33. It does have 33, so it wasn't like used or anything. I just think they got stuck, probably to another packaging or something like that. But it brings a whole bunch of beautiful butterfly die cuts, and like I said, either way I'm gonna be doing both. I'm gonna be making a journal, and I'm gonna be making a canvas with the butterflies. The only difference here is which butterflies am I gonna use on what. I love this, and you can double them up when you glue them and make it dimensional, and I think that that looks amazing. So we'll see. There's quite a few here if you haven't seen them. So you get quite a few of each. Some of them you get more than others, but you do get quite a nice variety all the way to the smallest size. So super cute. Definitely very resourceful. I'm super happy that Dollar Tree is bringing die cuts because for $1 you can't go wrong. You cannot go wrong, and I hope that they do bring more different ones and get on the game. Come on, Dollar Tree. You're doing good. You're doing good. Now all we gotta do is get a little bit better. So we got one. I wish they had other ones. They didn't. I don't even know if they have other colors or anything like that, but I'll make it work. I'll make it work. What else did I get? Okay, I got 2 of these. These are usually the only ribbons that I really buy from Dollar Tree. They do have a lot of nice ones, but I don't really use a lot of ribbon like in my projects. So I don't really buy like many ribbon. I have quite enough here, and I don't even use it that much. But every time I see these, I always pick them up because you could always incorporate these in anything and everything. So I got 2 of those. Non-crafty, I got some hair ties so I could keep my wolf hair down. I gotta keep the mane tamed. So we got that. I got some glue sticks because as much as I dislike these things, they're a necessity, kind of like food and water. So I got 2 packs. What else did I get? Okay, I got me another glue. As you guys know, Sazon and me, sometimes, you know, we'll share some items and stuff like that, and glues and stuff like that is definitely one of those things that we share. He has his own, but you know, if he's working in around my station and I have it out, oh yeah, he gonna use it. So you know, always good to get some extra glue because it goes quick here. And then the last thing that I got are some stickers. I didn't get a lot of stickers this time, but usually I pick up quite a few. But that thing was such a mess, like I get anxiety. Like I feel like, you know, clocking in and like fixing it and I don't even work there. So I get anxiety over it, and I just can't, like I can't. Like I'll see, and then like if I start having to go through and thumbing through every single thing, like I can't do it. So I got 2 of those. I got this one. They're super cute. And I'm sure you guys have probably seen these. And if you haven't, you need to get to your local Dollar Tree and see if you can find yourself some. These are super cute. They remind me of the 7 Gypsies stickers. And for $1, something that even resembles anything by 7 Gypsies, that is like an amazing bargain. So I got these. This one. These colorful ones, I only got 1. And then this one. These are like ornaments. That's what they look like, kind of like ornaments. But you can pretty much turn them into whatever you want. So that's why I got them. And I love the texture. I mean, I can just see myself just gluing these straight as they are, like right onto something, and then just kind of gestoing over it just to get that texture effect. Or you can use it for something else. I've been having a few ideas as far as some things that I want to do that are Dollar Tree related. So we'll see. We'll see if it actually comes out. So I got these, and I'm really disappointed because I only got 1. Once I thought I had grabbed 2 of this other one, and then I'm like, oh no, I found a different one, and then I didn't even, you know, I didn't notice. till I got home. So I was like, dang it, and I'm home already. So I got this one. It's super, super gorgeous. I love these stickers. These are the kind of stickers that I love from Dollar Tree. I don't really like any of the other ones. I do like these that they're coming out with, like this. These are like, but I love these. I love these kinds of stickers because I can use them on so many different projects. So this one has a bike. It's super cute and it says live for today, which I try to do every day when I wake up. Definitely focusing on good times and envisioning good times ahead so that they get here and then enjoy the journey, right? Super pretty. Love it, love it, love it. And I love that bicycle. Bicycles with me have a very special meaning because it's just something that my dad used to always do. Like every single year, he would buy me a new bike. When I was, when I was little. So like he would always buy me a new bike, and I remember one that he bought me that was red, and I loved it so, so much. But then he took the training wheels off, and then I busted my behind, and then I hated it, and I was like, I don't want red. Red is bad luck. I need blue or something else. So then he went and got me a different color because I got petrified. I fell. So here we go. Enough of that. So this is the next one. Super cute. I love this vine right here. And the vine itself is not dimensional, which would have been really nice if it was, because then I could have used two parts instead of one. And that's another thing I like about these. I can literally take some of these top layers off and use them on something else, and I still have the bottom sticker that I can like use either in my planner or I can use somewhere else, and just keep the dimensional aspects of them and use them, use them in my project. So you can definitely, take some of these apart and use all the different layers, or keep them as they are because they're beautiful anyway, and just use them like that. Then I got one of these. This is super cute, and it says dream. And anything with green I usually love. So this definitely caught my attention. I love it. It has it looks very vintagey, and it also has like a little bit of green in it. So super, super pretty. So I got that. Then I got this one. This is thankful. And I got two of these. This one I did get two of. But as you guys see, I got two of these, and then one and one. I was trying to grab two of these. And then I got this one, so we'll see, we'll see. And then the last thing, you guys, for this haul is this stencil, this feather stencil. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. So I'm definitely going to be using this in one of my upcoming projects. I hope it's not damaged. I think the paper looks kind of crazy in the background. But we're going to figure it out. We're going to figure it out. So that is my Dollar Tree haul, you guys, for today. I haven't done one of these things in a while. It's probably going to be another while before I do another one. So hopefully this will last me for a little bit. And this is all of the fun stuff that I got. All of the fun stuff that I got. I'm going to be taking a little thumbnail picture real quick out of this. That's why I'm kind of organizing it. But super, super cute. I think I found a lot of cute things that I can definitely incorporate in my mixed media work, my art journaling, as well as my love of books, my love of lapbook making and journal making and stuff like that. So, and I'm getting myself into planners as well. Again, I've done planners before, but I need to reorganize my time. So I'm definitely going to be more working on planners. Let me know if that's something that you guys want to see me do, like the process of how I decorate my pages and stuff like that. I've never really been one to share those too much, but if you guys want to see like an overview of what I've done before, planner related, let me know as well in the description, in the comments down below. Let me know if you want to see that, and I'll do like a flip through or something of some of the things I've done as far as the whole planner situation is concerned. Other than that, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for being here and taking a look. Maybe you've seen some of these things, maybe you haven't. If you haven't seen them and you like it, go get it before they're no longer available, because you guys know a lot of this stuff is kind of seasonal, so it's going to change again. And these houses are super cute. I thought of Tim Holtz as soon as I saw it. I was like, oh my god, this is like so Tim Holtz. So thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.